So I'm with my beautiful great aunt, Auntie Ebere. Look at how stylish she is. Look at her earrings. She just come back from a dancing class. Don't mess with her. She's not your mate. Oh, blow them a kiss. Until October, and the fear is. It's recording anyway, so it's natural. Okay, so this is my great aunt, Auntie Christiana Ebere Nwichi, nay Uga. And what state are you from?
Abia State.
And local government?
It's quite a local government area.
And what would you say that your background is? Like, what things do you study and stuff? What do you like?
You mean what I studied or what I like to study?
Both.
I mean,
yeah, because you know a lot.
I did a lot of things, but from the age of 17, I went into School of Nursing, and that's what I've done. And I've done all such of, not all fields of nursing, but quite a large majority of it. Both clinical practice, midwifery, name it, and also middle management. And I'm duly retired now.
Living her best life, travelling, doing what a lady does.
Absolutely.
As an Igbo woman, what advice would you give us young ones in general? Anything that comes to mind from your heart?
Well, actually, I think that so-called westernization, Americanization is eating into the fabric of our society, and so much so that, should I say, abandon or have no time for culture. I remember in those days when they used to say back to basics. I think we can never depart from our basic roots. It's terribly essential. Respect for yourself as an individual, first of all, and then we respect others, and then you respect the others. Okay, we all want modernity, we all want to be modern, but yeah, what about the saying that, you can have silver and gold, but which one is better? Which one would you save? The old things are still there, and they'll be there forever, whether we like to acknowledge them or not. The culture will be there. The culture will remain there, and we need to respect that. All of us, not just the young ones, and sometimes us older ones, because if we have something that we hold on to, then we'll have something that we'll pass on to the younger ones.
Anything anymore, and we'll have to figure it out ourselves.
Well, I mean, it's as Igbo, them. Oh God, them mama na again weekend. Imeko ụmụaka na asụ asụsụ Igbo ka ọ bụrụ ihe ha ga-eji nwere ugwu n'ebe ọbụla ha nọ na. Ọ bụkwa na ha agaghị asụ bekee. Bekee dị mkpa. Mgbe anyị gara ụlọ akwụkwọ nke anyị, akụziri anyị Igbo, kụziri anyị bekee. Ọkwa ihe m ga-achọ ka ụmụaka ugbu a na-eme. Ha sụọ Igbo, ha sụwa bekee.
Okay, I'll have to guess what you said. It sounds like you said English is good, but also learn your language. Both are good, but do both. I'll have to research the rest and learn my alphabet again to find out what you actually said. A picture. She's so pretty. Look. I always wanted to be like Auntie Ebere, and I got to stay with her for the weekend. I'm jealous. And then, Auntie, can you please help us get one?